are pulling out of Mitchell, South Dakota this morning. We're probably going down into Nebraska and then over into Iowa, which is where we'll probably end up for the night. Don't know if there's going to be a whole lot to see along the way, but we do have a couple cool places to check out once we get there. Crossing the Missouri River. Right into Nebraska. They gotta have some sort of sign down here, and all I think said was state line. Oh, here we go. Well, that's underwhelming. Nebraska looks about what I thought it would look like. I've never seen so many choices on gas. And now we're in Iowa. So the good news is we don't have to do any interstate riding today. The bad news is we're in Iowa, so everything's pretty much flat and straight. We're going to be on US 20 for about 200 miles before we finally jump off in about 3 hours. Nothing exciting for lunch, just a quick stop along the way at Subway. I'm not endorsing it, it was okay. And it's terrible what Jared did to those children.
Hey, is this heaven?
No, it's Iowa. I'm melting!
Just in case you ever wanted to see what happened to the baseball players in Field of Dreams when they walked into the cornfield, this is it. This is the cornfield. Pretty cool. I'm headed out to wipe the bike off. Covered in bugs today, it's ridiculous. And throw the cover on it, and then we're just going to chill out in the room to the rest of the night and figure out what the hell we're doing tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We'll see ya.